Sooeylife. Do these, make your hands like this. Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. Sooeylife here. I am 53 and I'm sharing anti-aging tips and face massages with you guys. The massages I'm showing you are the ones that I've been doing and I know they really work. Aging cannot be stopped, no, but we can slow it down. Yes, we can. If you want to get extra anti-aging tips, join the membership. The link is down below. Every week, there's a different massage on my channel. Do this with me to take care of the whole face. It really is the best and easiest way to take care of your face and look younger. Today, I'm going to do a face massage taking care of sagging skin. As we get older, our face and skin is sagging. This massage is taking care of the whole face. It's gentle and easy, but it's very powerful and it really works to make your skin, to tighten your skin and also to lift your face. And I'm always happy to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for your comment. Are you ready to look younger? Let's get started. First, rub your hands together for 10 to 20 seconds. Next, make your hands like this. So do this for 20 seconds. Next, switch to the side, same way. Next, make your hands like this. This way, no. This way. Let's do this for 10 seconds. Next, switch to the side, same way, this way, and with your thumb, Next, make your hands like this and from the middle. So do this 10 times. Next, switch to the side, or here, make your hands like this. Next, make your hands like this, right here this way, your middle finger. Let's do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this with your index finger, starting from the middle. So do this 10 times. Next, switch the side, same way, starting from the middle. Next, make your hands like this, right here, this way. Let's do this 10 times. Next, for your forehead, make your hands like this, starting from here.